Today's lesson is adding and subtracting mixed numbers. Our goal is that we can add and subtract mixed numbers. Adding and subtract mixed numbers with the same denominator. First, we add or subtract the whole numbers. Then we add or subtract the fractions. We combine the two parts to make one mixed number. Then we simplify if we can. So first we add the 7 plus the 11, which gives us 18. And then we add 1/3 plus 1/3, which gives us 2/3. And really, I kind of did that all as one because you can in this problem. And there's no simplifying needed. Now we have 6 minus 4, which is 2. 7/9 minus 1/9 gives us 6/9. And now we have to simplify. 6/9 simplifies down to 2/3. And we have 2 2/3. What happens if your final answer results in a mixed number with improper fractions? And this does happen. So we have 5 5/8. Oh boy, that hand. All right, 5 5/8 plus 4 7/8. So we add. Let me see what I have. Oh, okay. So we get 5 plus 4 gives us 9. 5/8 plus 7/8 gives us 12/8. So we've got 9 12/8. So now we've got 9 12/8 plus 12/8. So if I look at it as 9 plus 1 4/8, I have 10 4/8. So I simplify that to 9 to 10 1/2. Okay? All right. Adding and subtracting mixed numbers with uncommon denominators. So we rewrite the fractions using the common denominators of the given fractions. We complete the steps that we explained on the previous slides. So we do 4 5/6, plus 3 3/4. So we've got to rewrite this with common denominators. So our common denominator, hopefully you guys can see, is going to be 12. 12, yes. So we've got 4, and it's 12. I multiply by 2 for the 6, and I get 5 times 2 is 10. And I multiply 4 by 3. So I multiply 3 times 3, and I get 9. All right, let me get rid of this screen shade. Okay, so now I've got 7 19 twelfths. Okay, so now I've got 7 plus 1 7 twelfths. Now it gives me 8 7 twelfths. Moving on. Renaming mixed numbers so we can subtract. We've got 6 1/6 minus 3 2/3. We rewrite using common denominators. We've got 6 1/6 minus 3 4/6. Then we're going to transfer or borrow. I always like to say make change from. Take a whole out of that 3. No, I'm sorry, out of the 6. Out of the 6. We're going to take 1 whole out of that. So 6/6 is equivalent to one of these out of there. So it becomes 5 7/6. So we rewrite the problem and simplify it as we need to. So that, and we can do 5 7/6 minus 3 4/6. So 5 minus 3 gives us 2. 7/6 minus 4/6 gives us 3/6. And we simplify that down to 2 1/2. And our final problem here is 8 1/6 minus 6 3/4. So our common denominator here is going to be, I'm going to move up, so otherwise I'm going to run out of space. I'm going to come over here. We're going to have 8. Our common denominator is 12. 8 2/12 minus 6 9/12. And I'm going to borrow 12/12 from the 8, so I get 7 14/12 minus 6 9/12. And I subtract and I get 1 5/12. So I hope that you again took the time, I should have said this at the beginning of the lesson, to remind you to stop, pause it, rewind it as necessary. If there was something that you didn't get, go back. Make sure if you have any questions that didn't get answered from doing so, that you've written them down and you bring them to class with you, and we'll go over them when we talk next time. Hope you enjoyed your lesson, and I will see you next time.